Hi guys, it's me Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel. The next adventure of the Where to Go series. Today I'm here at the Float in Marina Bay, Singapore. This is for a special installation, a special exhibition for KAWS holiday. So it is a good opportunity for us here in Singapore to have this KAWS holiday, and it is a special inflatable edition of this particular model. And yeah, so enjoy and let's explore the exhibition. Alright, I'll see you. Bye. Guys, this is KAWS Holiday in Singapore, the exhibition. This is just on the float at the Marina Bay. Yeah, that's Marina Bay, guys. That's Marina Bay Sands, and then that's Arts Museum, and then in front of it is the KAWS Holiday exhibition. Right, take a look. And that's the Merlion over there. Right guys, this is the exhibition for the KAWS holiday here in Singapore. This includes the stops in Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and UK. And this is a special KAWS installation. It's KAWS holiday that arrived in Singapore. It's a 42-meter long inflatable figure modeled after Mickey Mouse character. Yeah, it's real name by Brian Donnelly, and yeah, it's here at the Float at Marina Bay in Singapore. Right, the exhibition will run until today, only on the 21st of November. That was started on the 13th of November. It's just only merely about 8 days exhibition. Right. You say hi. Yes, this is last day of KAWS holiday Singapore. Right. And look at that. What a nice view, right? This is just an opposite side of Mandarin Oriental Hotel. Yeah, this is the Float in Marina Bay, Singapore. Righty. And that's the Singapore flyer. Yes, it's very hot because it's at 3:30 in the afternoon, And yeah, we're enjoying the view here at the float at Marina Bay in Singapore. This is where the exhibition for the KAWS holiday in Singapore, and today is the last day, that on 21st of November. Yes, it's a good view because it's just nearby the vicinity of the um, Marina Bay Sands. Righty. Yay! Ayan po guys, this is the Helix Bridge here in Singapore. And sa gabi, maganda po to siyang tingnan kasi yung lights niya maganda. Tapos at the same time, yung design ng bridge itself, maganda siya. Kaya ganito po yung hitsura niya guys. Yan. Doon kasi tayo galing kanina. Tayo galing kanina sa exhibition ng KAWS holiday. Ayan. Tapos, ayan din po guys ang Singapore flyer. Yan sa likod ko. Ayan. Tapos, further down is the Marina Bay Sands. Ayan. Further down is Marina Bay Sands and yung Art Science Museum. At the same time, the opposite side is the Gardens by the Bay. Ayan. Okay? Ayan po guys, kung nandito po kayo sa Helix Bridge, ayan, you could have a good view sa buong area, sa Butway. And then, ayan po ang exhibition ng KAWS holiday. And then, you will have a good view also of the Marina Bay Sands. Ayan. Tapos, ayan po yung The Float. Ayan po yung The Float where the exhibition is ongoing. Tapos yung open stadium, that's where yung mga malakihang mga concerts dito po hiniheld. Ayan po yung mga, ayan po yung The Float ng Marina Bay. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan po yung cone is actually, that's the Art Science Museum. Right. It's one of the best museum here. Probably not just in here but in Southeast Asia. Ayan. Okay. Ayan po guys ang Singapore flyer. Ayan, sobrang taas po niyan. Parang sa buong building. Ayan po ang Ferris wheel dito, sobrang taas. Okay. guys ang Marina Bay Sands Shops. Yan po yung mall. And then ayan, last time yan lang po yung entrance. So since it's COVID, so there's only one entrance to the shopping center. And then going to that side is actually going to the Gardens by the Bay. Yeah, by walk. So yeah, yan po ang hitsura ng Marina Bay Sands shops sa labas. Ayan. Sa labas naman is also yan po yung hitsura ng Art Science Museum. That's the Art Science Museum. And then ang view mo when you are here is the whole area for the that's the river cruise. Ayan. That's the river cruise. And then all the way there is actually, yeah, all the way to Butquay, to Clarke. Ayan po yung then to Merlion Merlion Park. Ayan. And then the opposite side is the Pan Pacific Hotel and the Mandarin Oriental. That's where we come in earlier. And then that's where the KAWS holiday exhibition, and then this is the Helix Bridge. Look at that, it's very nice, right? Especially at night, it is such a good view. And Singapore is like this. Ayan. Me again, Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy. Until the next adventure of the Where to Go series. I'll see you again next time. I'll see ya. Bye, bye, bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel by clicking subscribe, and please do not forget to click on the bell button for the notifications for the upcoming videos. I'll see you again next time. I'll see ya. Bye. Don't forget to comment, like, and share.